Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an error when trying to run a script in PowerShell that says running scripts is disabled on this system. That's usually due to a security measure that will not allow scripts to be executed without having approval from you, the user. So if you're looking to resolve this issue, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. Select Yes for the user account control prompt, and I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy that and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on paste it in, hit Enter on your keyboard. Going to have to type the A key, so just type A and then hit Enter, and there you go guys. You should be able to run scripts now. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.